Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So today I got some packages delivered. I had shopped during the White Friday sale in Dubai. So I have my Amazon box here. I've already cut open it. So let's see what's inside. Okay. Ooh. So I ordered this Real Techniques makeup brush set and the sponge. So that's one. Jam. This is strawberry jam. So that's there. Okay, let me put it back inside. Okay. This is actually a very interesting product. Okay. So this is for the oil bottles. Okay, I just got these nozzles with the lid on it, so I can just put it in the glass bottles and then use it for oils.
You want to demonstrate? You want me to give?
Yeah, I have a lot of glass bottles at home, so I thought let's make use of it. Instead of having it in plastic oil bottles, I thought maybe I'll use one of these glass bottles and then let's try it actually. Okay, so I'm gonna open the bottle. This is the nozzle lid, so I'm just gonna insert it. That's it, done. So you pour the oil, you insert it, and then this has a lid on top of it. So when you do this, it will automatically open. So it's a good one, and it looks neat in the kitchen, right? So that's.
How do you put oil inside the bottle?
Ah, good question. They've given a funnel, so we just use this and pour the oil in it.
How?
Seriously, my husband. Okay. First, empty bottle, put the funnel, pour the oil, remove the funnel, put the lid, and use it. Okay. So I think this was set of 7 or 6, and they have this cleaner also. When you're cleaning it, you can just clean the inside of the nozzle with this brush what they've given. It's a good one. And this is pack of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, pack of 7 with the cleaning set and the funnel. I think I got this for 20 bucks, 20 dirhams. So that's a good one. By the way, this is not a paid promotional video. I'm just sharing my reviews here. Okay. I got some cosmetics. A lot of cosmetics. Okay. Eyelashes. Oh, I've got a freebie. This is eyeliner. This is a local brand from UAE, and thanks for your order. Lipstick is a gift. So they've given me a lipstick. Ooh, nice dark shade. It's nice. Later I'll do a review for the cosmetics that I've got, the makeup items that I've got. We can create a look. Let's do that. This is a steal deal. I got this Starstruck by Sunny Leon, Leon's brand lip set. This has liquid lip color, long wearing lip liner, and a matte lip color. So I'm gonna open it. This was for 27 bucks, 27 dirhams. The usual price is around 60-70 dirhams. So this was on a very good deal. So I'm not going to open any of these. This is the red. I got the red shade, cherry bomb. Okay, so this is the liquid lip color. This is the matte lipstick, and this is the lip liner. This is a very interesting makeup item that I've got. Can't wait to try. Take a sip of coffee. Next, lot of items. So this is the L'Oreal Brow Pencil. So I've got it in dark brown. This has the brush for it, so you can just fill in your brows and do this, brush it off. So this was deal as well. Got this Lakme lip crayon in shade pink, so I'll try it out later. This is the Maybelline Kajal, girls love Kajal. This is Essence brand's eyeliner pen. So this was also, I think it was around 6 dirhams, 7 dirhams. And this is the Maybelline's Curvitude eyeliner. I really like this eyeliner because it's got this curve, so it's easier to do the wing liner. So this is a very good product as well. This is again brow gel, brow sculpt gel. Then I've got this Essence eyebrow brush because I have this gel pot, so I wanted the brush to use, so I got this. One more sip of coffee. Okay, now got this blush from Catrice. It was at, I think it was 12-13 dirhams. This has got a very nice shade to it. It's got a mixed shade of pinks and brown. It's very nice. I love it. And this is a peach blush as well from the same brand, Catrice. We'll do a separate video on the cosmetics. I also have green color eyeliner. So I like that eye pencil, so sometimes you need a little bit of color to your look, so that's green. And this is lip pencil as well in it's sort of mauve color. So this was, I think, 3 dirhams. It was a very good deal. So these are my cosmetic items that I got. So back they go inside. Let's check out what are the other items I have here. Okay. This is a big one. I also got a kitchen spatula set, the silicone ones. So I thought these are heat proof, right? So these are very good for our kitchen. I got it in black color. Let me see if I can pull it out. Okay, cool. So it's a set of 11 items, I guess. So it's got a slotted spoon. This is the turnovers. We've got tongs. This is the brush oil. This is the whisk, silicone whisk. You can use it directly on the pan, so it won't melt or anything. This is another spatula. This is your pasta spoons, so it's got a drain kind of thing. This is your soup ladle. This is another type of spatula, a smaller one. Oh, they've given hooks, so you can probably hang it on your kitchen. And you can just hang these in the loops. And a holder. This was for 30 bucks, 30, 35 or something. It's a good one. So I'll keep this aside. This is the other one. Now I call my husband because I have a surprise for him. Jesh, do you want to come? I have a surprise for you. Please come. I have a surprise, I said. Come, come, come.
Surprisey.
Close your eyes. You're not peeping, right? Brother! Kanna open panni paadunga, brother.
Okay. So finally we completed. We were just talking about this. We need to complete our watch collections. You know, she always gets me watches. This is my favorite G-Shock, and she's a Apple girl and I'm a G-Shock guy. So
Open it
we
up,
were just
open it
talking
up.
about the classic, legendary Casio.
Casio. See?
Casio.
Casio.
Japanese. Hope it is made in Japan.
Let's
I
see.
wish.
I can't see
wish.
it here.
I just want to. How do I open? Wow.
This
This
was
is
actually
a-
on deal as well.
Okay.
This was, I think, 50 dirhams.
Okay.
This is a very good
See
deal.
how neat it looks. So this is a retro classic.
Nice. How do I open this? Like this?
Yeah, straight away.
I can't open it. Ah, yeah, I can open it. Let's see the made. Oh. Bingo! Japan. Okay, how do you set the time? It's a digital watch,
Yeah.
right?
You know how to set the time on this watch, right?
Can I put
Yeah,
this
the
for you,
same, the
please?
same.
Please! Can I?
With the tag, is it?
It's okay. It's okay.
I look like a mannequin then.
Yeah. How do I remove this? Okay.
Look.
The drama you
Is
will
it
do.
bigger than your Apple Watch?
I do not know. Okay.
But one thing is for sure, it's a classic. Wow, it looks so small.
Wait.
My hand is big actually.
I think we need to remove couple of pins, right?
Okay.
It's loose.
Let's
for
compare
you.
with your Apple Watch.
Hey, my Apple Watch looks much bigger than your watch. How do you like it?
It feels like a.
This is a unisex or is this men's only?
It is unisex. Anybody can wear. You can wear it for office. You can wear it for parties. You can wear it for to the beach. I like this watch. So finally, watch collection is complete. We were just talking about this watch last week. So I told this watch would complete our watch collections. No matter how many watches you have, this watch will complete your watch collection. You have Casios, you have G-Shocks,
Casio.
you have so many HMTs, so many fast
Now you will not
tracks.
ask me any more watches, right?
No.
Like I'm not going to present you any more watches.
So this will
Like
be
you already have a.
this will be a dress
Armani.
watch. So whenever I will have to go to a casual place, I would wear this, and for always the
Sporty.
G-Shock.
Where are your glasses? Okay.
Good, neat, very neat actually. I like the design. What is it? What is it?
Surprise!
Oh my god!
Surprise! You asked for it. Okay, it's okay. You don't have to thank me. It's okay. It's okay. Double surprise. Double surprise. Which one do you like? This one or that one?
I want both. Can I wear this? G-Shock. I think I'll make a separate video for this.
Okay, open and show at
Unboxing
least.
and- There's just going to be thousands of pieces. I don't know how many pieces.
Okay, tell them what it is.
It is made in Denmark, Hungary. It's a Ferrari F8
Woohoo!
Speed Champions Lego.
Now you'll do the building.
So this was the only car I wanted from the Speed Champions, and here it is.
Wow! Can I open it?
Yes,
I'm very curious. But how do I open this? Ah, see here? Do this.
Press that. Yeah. You just broke the seal.
Yeah, I know. I just broke the seal.
You have to pull it up.
Yep. Woo. Tan 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 tan. So this is your block set.
Hmm.
They've given you some
Stickers.
stickers.
And this is your manual. How
That's
to
it?
build a car.
That's it.
That's it. What more do you want? You wanted honks,
I
accessories.
think this is your base
Yeah, chassis.
chassis. Josh will do a video for you guys, okay, on how he does the building
Oh my
of
God,
his
look at
Ferrari
this part.
F8. Oh, let me put it back in. That's nice. Are you surprised? Are you happy?
Yes, I am super surprised.
Can I see? Please.
I am very, very happy. And there is a figure also. Is
You
that
have a
right there?
figurine,
Yeah. Oh, you need to build him also.
but where is he?
He's inside.
Are you
See, his
sure?
hands are here.
Oh yeah,
This is his body. His head is somewhere here.
somewhere. Yeah. Ooh la la.
Wow.
Okay, there you go. Put it inside.
I want to use this now.
Okay.
Oh, you want me to pack this and put it in the garage?
Okay, time out. All right, guys. I
This
think
is
that's
cool.
it for.
I feel like Salman Khan. You know this?
No comments. Okay, I think let's do a wrap.
Hmm.
That's it. That's our White Friday purchase. Oh, why don't you tell them about this angel car?
Yes, this is Angel 16.
Sorry, we're not done yet. Okay, yeah.
Angel 16. This car has been traveling with me everywhere. So whenever I wear a denim, a jeans pant, in the small pocket, you will find this car. So this car, it's a die-cast Hot Wheels 2004 first edition of the Angel 16. And I don't know why this car gives me a complete feel, and most of my designs are inspired by this car.
Good. I know what you mean. Can I reveal them? The secret. His signature is similar to the car shape. Like goes
Without
like
taking
this,
the
like
pen
that,
off,
like this, like
I
that.
can draw this entire car, and that's my signature. And it's already 16-year-old signature.
Bravo! All right, let's wrap it up. See you guys in our next video. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and share it with your friends. Comment. That's it, guys. Have a nice weekend. See you guys later. Bye.
Ashwin.
Josh Ashwin. Ta-da. Okay,
Bazooka.
Bazooka. Let's wrap it up.